What's going on, guys? This is Wills again with another Android stereo review. This time we have the Binize Android 9.1 7-inch HD quad-core double din. It doesn't have a DVD or a CD player, and it's very affordable for less than $100. I'll drop a link below so you can click on it and check it out in more detail. Right out of the box, you get a $10 cashback from Binize. All you have to do is send them the order number on Instagram or Facebook. Right on top there is a male-to-male USB cable. Let's go ahead and get it out of the packaging here. As you can see, it's a pretty slim and light unit, coming in about 7 by 4, it looks like there. Yeah, so it's pretty light. Here is the faceplate, brackets for mounting. You get the instruction manual, camera cable, harness, the second harness for power and the speakers, USB cable, another USB cable, and this is the screw-in Wi-Fi adapter. Let's peel off the protective plastic coating they put on it. I got to go ahead and take out my pumpkin stereo out of the 2007 Honda Civic. From the RCA harness, you have audio out right, aux left in, aux right in, video out, amp C, another video in, and the subwoofer cable. This is how long it would take to boot up the system from a cold start, meaning never been powered on or had any type of connection previously. So you get an Android logo, of course, and it should be booting up to the home screen any second now. Okay, here we go.